Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to ban a member from your Skool community. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started with Skool, and if you haven't started with Skool just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up and get a free 14-day trial. Now, within my Skool community, we had someone join and they were just simply spamming members. So I decided to ban them, and in order to do that, go ahead and click on members, and then find the member that you want to go ahead and ban. So once you find that member, go ahead and click on their name. And then from here, click on the three dots. And then from here, click on membership settings. And then from here, you could actually click on ban from group. So this is going to allow it to actually go ahead and ban them so they no longer see your Skool community. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and ban a member from your Skool community. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.